Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zilch card online in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to open your Zilch application on your phone. Now, when you open your application, you will see your reward balance here on the top and your available credit on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, by default, you will be here on this online option where you are going to see all of the brands that you have basically purchased with here on the top, and you are also going to see some of the categories available here. So you just have to simply tap on any of these icons and then it is going to show you these types of options. Now over here you need to select whether you want to pay now, pay over 6 months, or pay over 3 months. Now after selecting this particular option, this step is going to activate your virtual card for your next online purchase, and the interface of it is going to look something like this. Now, if you skip this particular part, the payment gets declined during checkout, so make sure that you do it. Now, you need to open your Zilch virtual card section and then you need to simply view the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. Zilch is going to generate a virtual MasterCard that is going to work on many online stores. So the card is going to look something like this. So over here, you need to simply click on the option of this enable card option, and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically use it at the checkout. So you can go to the website where you want to shop and then choose the option of debit or credit card payment, then enter the Zilch card detail exactly like a normal bank card. After submitting the payment, Zilch may send you the app confirmation, the biometric approval, and the security verification before processing the purchase. So that's how you can basically use it online. Thank you.